Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. We're talking Portland leather goods today, and this is a video that I actually wasn't sure was ever going to happen. I'm sure maybe somewhere on the thumbnail or in the title I mentioned that my Unicorn Day bag definitely took the slowest and longest route to get to me. I 100% thought the order was going to be canceled on me. Unfortunately, this Unicorn Day bag, for a lot of people who ordered it, somehow it was just canceled, and I'm really sorry if that was the situation you found yourself in. I can't imagine with such a special bag, once you've ordered and paid and everything, it would be disappointing to have that canceled. I still want to share this unboxing because it's finally here, but I do feel like I'm probably the final person to be doing a Unicorn Day bag unboxing. Probably not the final, but pretty close. This Unicorn Day bag definitely took its sweet time. You probably already know the bag that I'm talking about is the butterfly bag in the gorgeous leather Aurora, which is kind of the multicolor metallic leather. That was the only bag that I wanted from the Unicorn Day sale, and there's quite a story that I'll tell you throughout this video of how this bag is even here. It's kind of crazy. Let's take a look first. I feel like I need to take a deep breath because the other thing with these Unicorn Day bags is I know we've all been seeing a lot of people getting them with like flaws, like cuts in the leather or markings. So I'm nervous about that too. Let's just rip off the band-aid. I'm still kind of like not looking. Oh, I looked. Wow, she is magical. Look at this color. Wow, with really fun pebbling. And it does feel really nice. It's not super stiff or anything. Let's take a close look and then we'll talk more. So here's the first side that I'm seeing. I am so glad that it's at an angle. I love the way Aurora looks when it's on a diagonal. Oh, that's a fun splashy side. It says Portland leather here. Oh, and look at the back. This is super unique. Some of these pink markings I was noticing on other people's bags too kind of get not drippy but kind of like splattery. Okay, and here's the final end. That's really fun. That's so fun. So one of the first things I noticed when they showed photos of Aurora was that no one's Aurora bags are going to be exactly the same as anyone else's because this leather, this pattern is so random, and the way that they're cutting for the bags, everyone is going to be a little bit different. But let's look at the bottom. Wow, that's pretty cool. I just took a minute to look over her very carefully. Thankfully, I'm pleased to report I don't see any damage, any scratches, any cuts in the leather, any weird scuff marks, so I'm very thankful. But one of the things that I noticed that's really cool is this bag has some like very bright metallic orange spots. I wonder if it's where the pink and the yellow mix together. Let me see if I can show you. Do you see right here? It's like glowy metallic orange. I think that's very cool. There's another spot kind of right here. It's very metallic orange. And then this right here is very fun. It's like a bright orange. So that's kind of a cool discovery. I wasn't picking up on any orange in other people's photos. Let's play around with this butterfly a little bit. This reminds me that I also need to film my butterfly bag collection video for you, and now with this very special member of the collection. Hey, if you're feeling the urge to do a little Portland leather goods shopping, don't forget that I have the best deal for you down in my description box. It's 30% off any premium items. Click that link. It will take you to the website. Everything will look normal until you get to checkout, and then you'll see that those premium items go to 30% off. I know right now there's a Mother's Day sale going that already gets you 30% off, but if you do choose to use my link, it still credits me with the sale, and that's a huge help for me, supports my channel. Still a great deal for you, great deal for me, and really a special thank you to those of you who have used that link and continue to do so. It means so much. Now, I chose the butterfly because it really is one of my favorite Portland leather goods styles, and I just thought with the diagonal pattern, chef's kiss. Here's what the inside looks like. It's kind of a taupey gray. It's not extremely soft on the inside, but it feels like the backside of leather. Just like any other butterfly bag, she's pretty much just wide open. She has a pocket on both of the small sides, which is kind of perfect for sticking a pen in or something like that. And then she has the same butterfly closure where on the inside there's a hook and a loop that you bring together, and then the snap closure And that's what gives her this little kind of butterfly dumpling shape. So she is a soft leather, but she's not like super, super floppy like Sunshine. So she's going to be able to hold her shape somewhat. Here is the Aurora butterfly straight out of the box, factory setting on the strap as a crossbody. Now, usually the crossbody is not the way I would wear my butterfly bags, but she does work like this. You could lower her even a little more if you wanted to. And if I wanted hands-free, I could certainly do this. It's definitely more common for me to wear my butterflies as a shoulder bag. So here she is on the shortest setting, which makes her kind of a long shoulder bag on me. I could add a couple more holes to this strap, but let me show you my plan with how I have been dreaming of carrying her. Side note, I feel like this strap is awesome and would be so fun to wear with a number of different bags that I already have. Wouldn't that be a fun accent? Quick little story time, and shout out to my friend Laura from Laura's Little Luxuries. This bag literally would not be here if it wasn't for her. So here's what happened. On Unicorn Day, I was all set and ready. I had multiple tabs up on my browser. I had all my information entered. I did a practice checkout to make sure nothing was going to be funky. And then I kept refreshing AP butterfly, regular butterfly, AP butterfly, regular butterfly, realizing this was not coming up. So then I went to the new arrivals section and saw the AP butterfly. So I quickly clicked on that, put an AP Aurora butterfly in my cart, went to check out. No, taken away. What? So then I quickly tried to find the regular one, put it in my cart, tried to check out. No, taken away. 2 times in a row, completely failed. I'm usually very good at this. I have my strategies down, but no, this was not meant to be. And so we have a little group chat with some of us that work together on the Sunday preview. And I was like, you guys, I got nothing. I got nothing. I was hoping for some heart pouches. I definitely wanted a Lucent Mockingbird, which Laura very graciously picked up for me. But as far as the Aurora butterfly, I was completely out of luck. And I really wasn't interested in any of the other bags. Like, this was what I had my heart set on. But I just thought, well, my wallet will thank me. Life is good. Life will go on. And then Laura was like, check your orders. And I was like, what? And I went to my orders, and there, in my orders, clearly ordered by her, was an Aurora butterfly bucket bag coming to me. She worked her magic. She figured it all out. She found a way. Laura is awesome, by the way. If you aren't subscribed to her channel, I don't believe you aren't. I think you are. But if you're not, please go subscribe to her, because she really kind of worked a miracle to get this bag here. Because even after that, even after she worked her magic, I just saw person after person getting their Aurora butterfly bag order canceled. And so I was preparing myself. The longer and longer it sat unfulfilled, it's like, I'm probably just waiting for that notification that it's been canceled. And then all of a sudden it went to fulfilled and started looking like it was moving through the system, although very, very slowly. But here she is. Let's look at how I plan to carry her. So one thing I love to add to my butterfly bags, one way or another, is a grab strap. So this grab strap just came from Amazon, but it is actually genuine leather, which I love. And I will link these down below. They come in only a few colors, sadly. I wish they came in multiple colors, but you can see when you hook it to the butterfly bag, it gives you just that perfect grab strap. It was very affordable, like $10 to $12, I think. So now I can easily put the butterfly bag in the crook of my arm. So cute. Or just carry her with 2 hands. And when this is at rest, it just kind of drapes right in front of her like this, which I think looks super cute. And then the other thing I'm planning on using is actually this Portland Leather Goods strap. You can see it's kind of monogrammed PLG. And these ones get a little bit shorter than the straps that come with these bags. And the reason I like that is because I really do prefer carrying it on my shoulder and not crossbody. So my plan most of the time will be simply to carry this bag like this, with a black strap, with a black grab handle, maybe some black flare on the front here. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Look at her. Wow. I feel a little bit speechless. Like, I can't even describe what it feels like to be holding this bag. I don't know how she got here in the midst of all those bag cancellations, but here she is, and I love her. Seriously, special thanks to Laura and the extra effort and hard work she went to for making this happen for me. I just could not believe it on Unicorn Day when I struck out so much. So thank you very much, Laura. And thank you so much to all of you who are watching. Let me know down below, were you able to get anything on Unicorn Day? I know I had my heart set on apparently the hardest bag to get, clearly struck out a couple times, but third time's the charm. Are you enjoying your bags? Which of these metallic colors was your favorite? I just want to thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!